Being done very easily because it's all stacked, so every unit's going to match on every floor. So from level 2 to 5, every plumbing pipe's going to go up the same shaft, mechanical is going to go up the same shaft. They're all going to feed the same way in every level, so it makes it a lot more convenient for all the trades to work through. All these sleevings and can plants is for all the mechanical, the electrical, and plumbing that's going to go in the slab, and then they put these sleeves so it's allowed to go through the concrete, so we have to cut holes later. All the markings and all the layout on the slab, what ends up happening is we get a grid line. So on plans they have grid lines. So you use those grid lines to mark your building. That's how they do the building layout with the surveyor. And so he'll transfer all those grid lines and those points as we move up through the floors. So we have grid lines and grid points set on the deck, and then every trade pulls off that. So that's how the framer lays out all his walls. That's how the plumber lays down all his conduits and all his piping. And everyone kind of goes off that way. During the pour, you got a guy that's running the hose, the pump, basically all remote control. And then you got a hoseman that's holding down the hose to see where all the concrete's going. You got guys that are spreading concrete. You got finishers, and you guys applying water just to help out with the surface finish. And so there's multiple tasks going on, multiple people helping out in order to get all the concrete poured. We have rebar guys that are kind of finishing up and looking for install and tidying up. The electricians, they're here for pour watch, checking all their conduits, none of the conduits break. The plumbers do that the same way. They make sure their conduits aren't being broken or any of their sleeves aren't being taken out during the pour watch. And just multiple other trades in other areas working as well.